Alan Holt is here now with a full look at the forecast. Alan, we were talking about how we are getting a little bit of a warm-up, but it's coming with a decent punch.
It's got a price. We're going to have to pay for it, by way of rain, wind, maybe some slick spots in the Saturday morning. I typically don't start with the full shebang right off the top, but we'll start there and then work backwards to see how we get there. About a ½ inch to an inch of rain on Friday. Some isolated higher totals will be possible. The wind, I think, is going to be the main part of this story, gusting up to around 60 miles per hour. Most of that is likely going to stay in the mid-coast and or down east Maine, but that may bring in some power outages to the region. There also could be some slick spots into Saturday morning. That will come as the rain moves out. That comes with a cold front, which will bring in colder air, leading to freezing temperatures. So if there's some residual moisture out there, there could be some ice Saturday morning, and we'll also observe a reduction in the snowpack for sure throughout a lot of the state near the coast, and there will be some of that happening in the mountains as well. Some light snow working in that direction right now. There's a weak front that will work through tonight. It doesn't do much for us tomorrow. The system that's going to do all the work on the wind and the rain is right now north of the northern plains, north of the Dakotas and Montana. So tomorrow is a decent day of weather. High pressure right over top of us, southerly flow here. That's going to push temps into the middle and lower 40s for a lot of coastal parts of the state. Friday morning, things start to unravel. We'll see the rain work in from the west. And by the way, most of this is going to be rain throughout the entirety of the state. The rain picks up, as do the winds, into the late morning / early afternoon. This happening as this front squeezes the moisture, ramps up that southerly flow. Things then clear out fairly quickly Friday evening, and with that clear out, that's when the colder temperatures come in, and this is when there could be some slick spots on the roads come Saturday morning. Saturday's nice, then we get another clipper coming through here Saturday night and into Sunday morning. That may drop an inch or two of snow up into the higher terrain of the state, not much for the coast. So getting to all of that, Thursday looks great. Low 40s, lots of sun, increasing clouds later on in the day. Then the rain comes in. The rain's going to be a ½ inch to an inch, and that rain on Friday will come with a hefty amount of wind. You see the wind gusts here, 50 to 60 along the coast, a little lower than that as you get inland. And then the wind shift comes in out of the west with the cold front. And because the winds will still be breezy, that will likely help evaporate some of the rain that's on the roadways. So that should tamp down the freeze potential, but we'll follow that closely into Saturday morning. Weather for the marine outlook is going to be nice tomorrow, but a gale watch kicks in on Friday morning. That'll be in response to that southerly wind starting to pick up. Water temps right now are in the middle 40s. 52 on Friday. Bust the shorts out. I don't know about that, but 32 then on Saturday behind that front, and there will be a little bit of light snow floating around Saturday night and into Sunday, with perhaps a better chance for snow into Tuesday night and Wednesday of next week, which if you're looking for a white Christmas, that could perhaps deliver. It's still a long way out in the forecast realm, but it does look colder into Christmas too.
Keeping our eyes on Friday, and I know my kiddo would be excited to have some snow come back if it all goes away.
Yeah, so hopefully, next week we get it done.
All right, Alan, thanks so much.